Imagine if robots took over the world, starting with our jobs. Well, that may just be happening pretty soon. With technology advancing every day, some experts predict that artificial intelligence could replace up to 800 million jobs by 2030. And if you want to know who's more at the risk from losing the game with AI, you're in the right place. So sit tight as we take you through our list of 8 jobs that might disappear soon because of artificial intelligence. Starting off with accountants at number 1. So, we all know how accountants are the wizards of numbers, but sadly, even they are not safe because AI is now getting really good at performing basic accounting duties like bookkeeping and reconciling accounts by following targeted pathways. And it does not even make errors like humans do. In fact, many accounting firms are already using AI to automate their processes, which, by the way, reduces cost and improve efficiency significantly. But don't worry too much because there's still hope for humans. Accountants will still be needed to interpret the data and provide insights that can help businesses make informed decisions. And of course, artificial intelligence cannot replace the human touch when it comes to building relationships with real clients. At number 2, we have content moderators. So, we all know how social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are home to a lot of content. Some good and some not so good. That's where content moderators come in. They review posts and comments to make sure they don't violate community standards or contain inappropriate material. However, it's a tough job as they're exposed to a lot of graphic and disturbing content, which obviously takes a real emotional toll. But good news that enter AI platforms like Facebook are already using artificial intelligence to monitor content before it even reaches human moderators, to analyze posts for things like hate speech, graphic violence, and nudity, and basically just flags potentially problematic content for review. This means that human moderators don't even have to see as much of the disturbing content now. Next up, we have legal assistance at number 3. So, if you ever wondered how lawyers are able to sift through piles of legal documents to build their cases, well, that's what they need legal assistance for. But with the help of AI and machine learning, they won't need these legal assistants anymore. AI powered systems can now quickly chew through these law cases to produce summaries and citations. And it can even identify precedents in history with remarkable accuracy. And who knows, maybe soon we'll see machines arguing cases in courtrooms alongside human lawyers. Now, at number 4, we have proofreaders. So, if you've ever sent an important message with a typo or had a grammar mistake in your official presentation, well, it's alright because this happens to the best of us. But with AI on the rise, we don't have to worry about these errors anymore, as AI technology can quickly scan through written content to identify mistakes and even suggest corrections. It's like having your own personal editor at your fingertips. But this also means that we won't need human proofreaders anymore. So if you are one, then consider this a heads up and learn a new skill. Up next, at the 5th spot, we have traders. So in case you don't know, entry-level stock traders spend most of their time modeling predictions in Excel and doing data management. And like these tasks don't exactly require a human brain. Good news is that artificial intelligence is becoming very popular in the trading world. In fact, according to a recent report by JP Morgan, the use of AI in trading is expected to grow by 50% in the next 5 years. And well, it's not hard to see why. Artificial intelligence can be more efficient, reduce the possibility of errors, and is capable of doing more complex comparative modeling. At number 6 on our list, we have transcribers. These guys convert audio recordings into text documents. It may sound easy, but it's a task that requires a lot of time and attention to detail. But luckily, we now have speech-to-text systems that use advanced algorithms to do the job. And let me tell you, they're getting better by the day. In fact, even journalists and lawyers are turning to AI to help them transcribe interviews and court proceedings. Next up, we have graphic designers at number 7. So it turns out that artificial intelligence models are getting pretty good at creating images in all kinds of different styles. This is great news for graphic designers who are always looking for new ways to create new designs. One really cool trend in the graphic design right now is 3D portraits created by AI, be it TikTok filters or the Lensa app. This was indeed a breakthrough in graphic designing. And now finally, we have customer service at number 8. We all know how frustrating it can be to call a company and sit on hold for what feels like an eternity, only to speak to a representative who cannot answer your question. Well, artificial intelligence can definitely help us better by answering queries quicker and reducing staffing costs for companies. And thanks to text-to-speech softwares, we will soon be chatting with an AI bot on the other end of the phone line. It may not be the human touch we're used to, But I guess it's okay as long as we don't have to wait. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap on our list of 8 jobs that will disappear because of AI. Well, many jobs may be at the risk because of artificial intelligence, but hopefully more will emerge soon. For now, we think reskilling and upskilling is the way to go if you want to remain relevant in the job scene. And well, if you have any suggestions, let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.